Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with a review of a very good engineering college in Bangalore, and this is called GITAM Institute of Technology or GITAM University. So as you understand, it has got an excellent placement and it has four campuses. So one of them is in Visakhapatnam, which is the main campus, which was started in 1980, and it is over 100 acres of campus offering all graduate programs and postgraduate programs. The second campus, which came in Hyderabad, which was in 2009, is also quite excellent placement and infrastructure overall. And the third campus is the Bangalore campus, which was established in 2012. And this is what I am going to talk about today with respect to their School of Technology. So they also offer School of Business, School of Science, School of Humanities, and the Social Sciences school. So why this college I am reviewing is in GITAM, or it's known as Gandhi Institute of Technology and Management, is 102 best engineering college in India, right, in terms of NIRF ranking, right. So it's a GITAM School of Technology, which is the Bangalore campus, is also quite well, and this campus is located in doddaballapur area of the Bangalore, right, close to Yalanka and very close to the airport. So overall, this has a very good infrastructure, and I have made a campus tour video before this video, so you can check about those with a detailed video. But these are having the modern laboratories, good faculty, and they do have promote a lot of good extra curricular or the cultural activities with the students. So they have a good amount of events also established every year, which for the students excellence. So since this is university, it will offer all the type of undergraduate, postgraduate, and the research programs. But I will only deal with the engineering related undergraduate programs. So coming to the programs, the first like you can see a BTech in computer science, CSC with data science is their option. The second option is with IoT, same CSC with IoT, and then the core CSC, which is called computer science and engineering. And they do have computer science and business system, which is now coming in every college, and whereas same thing as CSC with artificial intelligence and machine learning, and the another flavor CSC with the cyber security. So 5 to 6 CSC college specializations are there, and then you can also see on the top BTech with civil engineering with integrated with GIS, geographical information system and applications. And apart from these branches, they do have a triple E branch, which is electrical and electronics engineering, ECE branch, and there they have a minor degree done in specialization with IoT infrastructure, IoT or VLSI design, robotics and automation, smart grid technology, and the communication engineering. So a lot of parts of it as a minor degree, and then ultimately the BTech in mechanical engineering. So now I'll talk about the placements part of it, and it has shown the excellent placements over few years of its. So all type of companies like the top companies like Amazon, which are the multinationals, to a big size mass recruitments of Indian as well as multinational companies part of this campus placement. So let me cover through that. So one of the biggest mass recruiter is the DXC Technologies, which is a Europe-based company, and under you can see 108 students placed and this, which is quite a big number. And then there is another multinational company from Europe called Virtusa, and they have taken associate engineer around 65 students. So you can understand the type of big amount of placements which happen across globe. So Wipro, you can see here another big placement, some close to 56 students selected at a Wipro in Bangalore. And then another multinational companies like Accenture, you see 36 students, right, and that is quite good. And some of these placements are in between 5.56 lakhs, right. So excellent opportunity for students to get a good median salary as well. And you can see another Indian IT services company TCS having a sizable number of students, you can check here. Also one of the top 10 IT companies in India, which is Tech Mahindra, you can see around 30 students plus on this particular sheet. Then there is this is also a multinational company, and they have also selected around 34 students, right, called Ligato. So actually providing a very good opportunity to students to get into all these good companies. This is also one of the top notch companies in Bangalore, and MU Sigma around 28 students they have recruited, and they are also paymaster in few of the best colleges. Now coming to the other companies, Emphasis, another top 10 IT services company in India, around 27 students have been selected by them. And then Cognizant also, we know that under top 10 IT companies in India, 21 students they have selected from GITAM. And then they have a Product, and Product is also as a software engineer, some 18 students got selected there. And if you see further, another Mindtree, it is also one of the top 10 IT services company in India. So 15 students are there. And then apart from IT services, also there are a good number of mass recruiters like ICC Prudential, you see, for CSE, electronics, and all those type of students. And this is the Birla Software, another software company in India, part of Birla Group, 8 students. And this is the Japanese multinational Rakuten, a very good company, excellent placements. 3 students they have selected. And then there are consulting companies like Gemini Consulting, around 5 of them. And startup companies are also there well on the campus, like something you are seeing My Climber, which has taken around 7 students from this. And then the Japanese company, another entity data, which is a global company, some 7 more students who got selected for entity. And product, I think I have already mentioned 7 more students as a software engineer. And then startup educational sector services come some companies like Byju's 5. And the Socialite General, again a Europe based multinational IT services company, very good company, 4 students are there. And then this is also a multinational in the share market, it's called IHS market, and it's a very good company there. Then you see Infogain, around close to 5 students here. Then there is some more companies like in the real estate space, like Square Yards, which has selected close to 6 students. And you see another company like Optum, which is again as a software engineer, 5 students. Then you have Bistron Digital is in large number of campus taking IT students. And then there is a one select in the like AT&T or the Technologics, around 3 students. And then Harman is basically a Samsung group company, very good innovative company, 3 students. Then you see 6 students another placed in Evoke Technologies, which is a mid-size IT services company. Dell, there are 2 more students. Then you also see Covalence Digital, right? This is a mid-size IT services company, 3 students placed in that. Then you have a Skill Vertex, which is a small company. Cisco, another good company, but 2 students. Then you see DBS, which is a bank, 1 student. SAP, 1 student, big multinational company. Cisco, another 1 student, very well-known company. KPIT, 1. EPAM, 1. BNP Paribas, very good bank, 1 student. And there are many more small size companies, each selecting 1 or 2 students depending on the type of branch they are specifically, like Glenwood Technologies, 3 students, or the Deus Works, 1 student. Then Dobiji, this is also startup company, some 5-6 students. And you see company Verzio, 3 students. TMEIC, 1 student. Thought Client, 2 students. Quality Kiosk, another 2 students. And PwC, very well known IT company, 1 student. And then few more students. And No Broker, 2 more students. And then ICT Health, 2 more students. Hexaware, 2 more students. And 5 number of students in the company called Face, which is into application development. And Everett's another 1 student. And then Blue. These are all mid-sized companies. Coforge, 3 students. And similarly, there is Apex Auto for mechanical engineering students. Zolo Stay, which is like an Oyo Stay company. And Winman, another small companies, 2-3 students. Lido, another 1 student. And then goes on a big list, of QMaths and so on, large number of companies. And then Vedantu also 3-4 more students in the education sector. Sabre is a very good company in aeronautical space, and then some more students in similar company. Overall, very excellent placement with around 5 lakh median salary is what you can expect here. So overall, it has a cutoff, between say around 40 to 50,000. You can definitely get computer science and specialization branches in this college through KCET and COMEDK admission process. And that's all I wanted to cover. And take care. Have a great time.